Hi everyone, welcome to our video presentation of our dashboard of employability data. On the far left of the dashboard you can see that we have the map of Australia, and in this map we have placed all the companies according to their locations. In the middle you can see that we have all the companies listed according to their locations in an alphabetical order. On our right hand side we have first the graphs of the size of the companies, and in the bottom we have the rankings of the companies. The color legends are: the blue ones are large enterprises and the orange ones are small enterprises, meaning that the large ones are companies that have workforce of over 1,000 people, and small enterprises are companies that have workforce of less than 1,000 people. In our right hand side, on the top side, you can see that we have categorized our companies based on the industry they're in, and in the bottom we have named the companies. As you can see, in the information technology we have the most number of companies. Then we have in professional services, in advertising and marketing, in healthcare, construction, real estate and contracting. Now let's move on to looking how many companies we have in Sydney, the company statistics in Sydney. If we click at Sydney, we will see all the companies that are located in Sydney. And as we can see, in Sydney most of the information technology companies are smaller companies, and their manpower and ranking are plotted accordingly. Let's go to Brisbane. In Brisbane we have fewer companies, with companies in hospitality being the largest, and in manufacturing and production we have Mars Australia, and in information technology we have fewer companies. Most of the lower ranking information technology companies are in Brisbane. If we move into Melbourne, we see that we have a lot more companies, and in Melbourne there are 3 large companies. In hospitality there's Marriott, in manufacturing and production there's Mars Australia, and in retail there is Mecca Brands. And there's only one top ranking information technology company, that is Salesforce, which is ranked second. Now if we move into Adelaide, there are very few companies in Adelaide, and there's a clear trend showing that mostly the hospitality in the large sectors, in the large enterprise sectors, only the hospitality companies are in most of the prominent locations. Let's move into Perth. In Perth, in the same trend, we can see that hospitality companies are in Perth as well, and the largest one there being is Hilton, which has the 3rd ranking. And in Perth there are very few technology companies, and most of these are low ranking. If you noticed, in all of the in most of the prominent locations there is this company named Stryker, and this company is a small healthcare company that has branches in all the prominent locations. Now if we click outside, we have the whole view of all the companies. It is a good thing to notice that there are a few companies that are located in almost all the prominent regions. In few of the regions there's, for example, Cairns, Darwin. There are very few, 1 or 2 companies that we have listed here.